Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Blockchain brings a new technical paradigm to the internet. Here are the key players and components of the blockchain world. Asset holders. They acquire tokens, coins, and NFTs that represent value. This includes exchanges, wallets, banks, funds, and lenders. Protocols. There are computer protocols that manage the exchange of information and value. This includes using coins as a store of value or tokens to gain access to an asset or NFTs as collectibles. Smart contracts execute the transactions within the protocol. Exchanges, marketplaces for trading digital assets. This includes traditional exchanges with the gatekeeper managing the process, as well as decentralized exchanges with no intermediaries. Chains, these are databases which store the transactions. Network effects impact the usefulness of chains. The more users on the chain, the more users will want to engage with it. Miners, they run algorithms to ensure the information across the distributed nodes remains accurate and consistent. Application software. These are the applications that provide the user specific services such as social network, managing real estate assets, or tracking insurance coverage. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.